Hello guys, I'm Nelson here and welcome back. This is episode 5 of this series. In the last episode, we covered the control panel, the C panel, and in this episode, we will dive into the WordPress dashboard. Guys, please note, we will not be covering every aspect of the WordPress dashboard, but rather we will only cover what we need to know and get started as beginners. So without further ado, let's dive in. To access the WordPress dashboard, you need to log in. Simply go to your website login page, usually found at yourdomain.com/wp/admin. Enter your username and your password and you will land on your dashboard. The dashboard is a control hub for your entire WordPress website. Let's break it down into key sections. The admin toolbar. This is at the very top of the screen and gives you quick access to website front end view. That is to view your site, what people see, that is the front end. It also gives you a quick access to notifications, updates, and comments. Basically a shortcut, right? Yeah. Next, the admin menu. The admin menu is at the left side of the dashboard. This menu on the left side is where you find the tools to manage every aspect of your website, like posts, pages, themes, plugins, and settings. We'll get to it in a moment. For now, I will just turn off all these. I like my dashboard screen blank. Now, let's talk about the key section that we need to really understand. The post section is where you manage blog posts. If your website includes a blog, you'll be spending a lot of time here. All posts. This displays all the list of posts, both published and draft. You can edit or delete them from here. To add a new post, click here to create a new blog post. You use Gutenberg editor, which lets you add text, images, videos, and more in blocks. Blocks are something that we call widget, which we'll talk about in the next video. Gutenberg, by the way, is WordPress default page builder or editor. You can organize your posts in categories and tags. Organizing your posts with categories and tags helps makes the readers to navigate your content much better. The media library is your file manager for images, videos, PDFs, and other media. Every file you upload is stored here and can be reused across your site. To upload a media file, drag and drop files directly into the library or click the Add New button. You can upload multiple files at once. You can crop, rotate, or resize images. So that's it. Next, we have the pages section. Pages are for static content like home page, about page, or contact page. Pages don't appear in your blog field and are ideal for information that doesn't change often. Click All Page to view, edit, or delete your page. To add a new page, click on Add New Page. Create a new page using the Gutenberg editor, that is WordPress default page builder or editor. Customize it with blogs like text, images, and buttons, basically widget, which we'll talk about very soon. Next, we have the appearance section, designing your website. The appearance section is where you control how your site looks and feel. Let's explore it now. A theme determines your website overall layout, colors, and design. WordPress comes with default themes, but you can install new ones to match your brand. Installing a new theme is very easy. Go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New. Browse free themes from the WordPress repository or upload a premium theme file you purchased. We will dive into installing a theme in the next video. You can actually preview the theme before installing. Use this feature to see how a theme will look with your existing content before actually activating it. After installing, click Activate to apply the theme to your site. Don't worry, switching themes won't affect your content. Let's review the change that happened when we changed our theme. Next, under the appearance section, we have the customizer. The customizer lets you tweak your site appearance in real time, allowing you to change your site logo and title, adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds, also configure menus, and also set whether your home page displays your latest post or a static page. We'll skip widgets and menu for now. Next, we have the theme file editor. Avoid this unless you know coding. It allows you to directly edit your theme's code, which can break your site if done incorrectly. Next, we have the plugins sections. Plugins extend your website functionalities. They're basically an app or software that helps to enhance WordPress or your site functionalities or features. Whether you want to add a contact form, improve SEO, or create an online store, there's a plugin for that. To add a new plugin, go to Plugin, Add New, search for plugins in the WordPress repository or upload a premium plugin file. Click Install and then Activate. You can manage your plugins here. You can activate it or deactivate them, turning off a plugin or turning it on. You can delete it, that is removing unused plugin to keep your site fast and secure. You can also update the plugins to fix bugs and prevent security vulnerability. Plugin developers, even themes, releases regular updates to a theme or plugins. Only install the plugins you need. Too many plugins can slow down your site. The other important sections include users, settings, and tools. For users, we won't talk about this very deeply because it might complicate things, but in the user section, you can manage accounts for administrators, editors, authors, or subscribers. You can also add new users or edit user roles here. WordPress offers by default user roles, and each user roles have its own level of access to the site. Everyone that have access to a site is a user. User would have full access to the site, allowing the user to edit every single aspect of the site is the administrator. In the list of the user would have access to the site, that is basically a subscriber. So every person that accesses your site in WordPress is a user and they have a user role. By default, a user role is a subscriber, but you can change the user role to any of your choice. Next, the tools section. It helps to access utilities like site health reports or also import and export content. Lastly, the settings section. You can configure essential settings here like your site title, tagline, time zone, and even permalink structure. You can also set other settings that are fairly self-explanatory. At the long run, we'll get to understand them much better. Welcome back, guys. So, this is the end of this episode. In this episode, we covered the WordPress dashboard. In the next episode, we will dive into page building, an intro to page building. Guys, if you are finding this series helpful and resourceful so far, please kindly share, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos and series to come. Bye.